Hi everyone, the topic is design and implementation of data science using RSA algorithm. The presentation is presented by Abhinaya, Kritika and Vishnu Varsha. We are from final year CSC at Johnson Institute of Technology. Okay, now we are going to the problem statement. Um, the problem statement is nothing but uh, using the RSA algorithm we implement a e-commerce system. The e-commerce system is based on the security and money exchange purpose. So we implement the system. First we are going to the proposed system. Proposed system is we implement the what to do and how to do the e-commerce system. Based on this, the proposed system is nothing but first all are need the safety, and nowadays the peoples are want to move easy way, so we choose this way online system. So we implement the proposed system for this purpose. The proposed system is security and safety purpose mainly. No one can hacking the e-commerce system. So we use the RSA algorithm to implement that proposed system of e-commerce system. And next we are going to the existing system. We have to implement the authentication, integrity and access control and availability is the main purpose of the system, because people access the e-commerce website at any time at anywhere. So it is used to security purpose and fast and safety, exchanging the money and anything at a second. So we implement that. And next is authentication is to establish the proof of identity and ensure the design of an electronic message of document is correctly identified. So we use this authentication. And integrity is nothing but message should be not tampered, it transist and non authentication and non-repetition does not allow the sender of message easily access. So we use this integrity. And access control is main important thing of e-commerce system. The access control determines who should be able to access the what. It means what the users need, it can access and control at the time of access the e-commerce purposes of basics. And next slides will be explained by my teammate Vishnu Varsha. Thank you.
RSA algorithm. The RSA algorithm is an asymmetric cryptography algorithm. This means that it uses a public key and a private key. As their name suggests, a public key is shared publicly while a private key is secret and must not be shared with anyone. RSA stands for Rivest Shamir Adleman algorithm. The purpose of this research is to design and implement RSA cryptography algorithm on text file data security. So how it works? It works on four types. So the first one is the key generation, the second one is key distribution, and the third one is encryption, and the fourth one is decryption. So key exchanging. So the plain text is given by the sender and it undergoes encryption process and by using receiver's public key, and it converts it to the cipher text, and the receiver who receives the plain text performs decryption using receiver's private key and decrypts the text. So generating the keys. Select two large prime numbers xx and yy. The prime numbers need to be large and they will be difficult for someone to figure out. So then calculate n is equal to xn is equal to xyy. Calculate the totient function. So phi of n is equal to x minus 1, y minus 1, phi of n is equal to x minus 1 and y minus 1. The next one is select an integer EE such that EE is co-prime to phi of n, phi n, and 1 less than E less than phi of n less than E less than phi of n. The pair of numbers n, E and n, E make up the public key. So the encryption, given a plain text PP represented as a number, the ciphertext CC is calculated by C is equal to P exponent of E, capital C is equal to PE mod n of n. The third one is decryption. Using the private key n, d, n, d, the plain text can be found using P is equal to C exponent d, P is equal to CD mod n. So the software requirements. So it requires Java in the front end and SQL in the back end.
Design and implementation of e-commerce site for online shopping. Contact us page, visitors and registered user can contact website owner or administration from here. If you see this diagram to contact form, you can fill this form out to contact the register. Next, we see about the tracking of admin page. Website administration can track and ship order here. Editor order status. If you can see the order details in here. We can use this form to check whether the details of ordered. We can use this form to check whether the order is delivered or it will be declared. Next, we see about the register page. New user can register here using enter your username, whatever your name can be entered here, and enter your password, one-time password. It will be login after the registered page. Next, we see about the PayPal for payment. Once user order product, they are redirect to payment page. Once your payment was successful, the order will be displayed in your shopping cart. After that, at conclusion, the internet has become a major resource in modern business. Thus, electronic shopping has gained significance not only from the entrepreneurs but also from the customer point of view. For the entrepreneurs, electronic shopping generates new business opportunities, and for the customer it makes the comparative shopping possible. To implement this web application, we use RSA algorithm as a technology. RSA algorithm has several advantages such as enhanced performance, scalability, built-in security, and simplicity. We can use the RSA algorithm to make our path very simple and make an order too simple. At reference, to refer this page to get more knowledge about that. Thank you for watching.